Tomorrow on Home and Family, Bissell Pet Foundation's Kathy Bissell and Larissa are here to empty the shelters with free adoption days. Plus, Ken is adding rustic elegance to our home with DIY burlap benches.
Welcome back, everyone. Showing us how to make a cookie tin Christmas cake that really stacks up to the magic of the holidays is Marie. See what I did there? It's a stacking.
I got you.
Yes. Yeah, and Ryan, you were joining us as well because
yes, I am.
in your movie Hope at Christmas, you play a teacher.
I do.
So I think that this would be a really great teacher's gift around the holidays.
Oh, I think it would be a great teacher's gift around whenever, but definitely around the holidays. I'd be super happy.
Full of cookies, and you could probably actually make this because I know you work with metals and things.
Yeah, I could make you your building blocks.
Thank you. I appreciate that. You could teach me how to make that. Do you like that? The teachers would love this. Anybody would love this. But yes, during that time, the time of year where you're trying to think of holiday gifts. So these are great because you could repurpose tins that you already have, or it gives you a great idea to put something really spectacular together for a gift for somebody. So it kind of does double duty, either repurpose as a decoration or give as a gift.
And how many tins I don't know about you all at home, but I have so many tins that they're not all the same because every Christmas somebody gives me cookies. So they're all kind of mishmash. I mean, I guess you could make it look eclectic and just...
My mom's got
eclectic.
sewing stuff in it.
Oh, yes,
like that.
see?
They become containers for all
100%.
sorts of stuff.
My mom has the same one. She puts all the needles in it for the sewing. That's so funny. Okay, so we're going to get started. We're actually going to change these. What are we doing first?
So first, you want to get your tins. So like you said, if you have some that are kind of all mismatched, what you want to do is actually grab a can of spray paint. Like, Deb, I have that in front of you. And this is your key. Oh, see, just like that. So you can have a bunch of different ones. And to make it look cohesive, I love the idea of just using some spray paint. And if you want to make it glitter, you can use a spray paint with the glitter in it.
Nice.
I like to do that instead of adding glitter separately because that will actually stay on, and if you add glitter separately, it will come off. But that's what is going to make it all look cohesive. If you can't find them in the same colors, like I have over here, you can see that, especially this white one over here, that one came as a bunch of different ones. This is kind of like the mismatched one, but this one, the red one that I'm going to show you too, came like that. So it depends on what you have. So get your spray paint out, and then you're kind of all set with in terms of making them look the same.
All right.
Gotcha. Now you're going to spray paint them, but can you still put cookies in them and eat them?
So I'm so glad you asked me that because
because
of course, so if you are going to spray paint them, you want to put some wax paper, something in there where you're going to cover it, so you don't actually spray the inside of it, and also do it separately because if you spray paint it together, it's probably not going to look so wonderful, and you're going to seal it. So what you want to do is, if you're just using it as decoration, go ahead and just spray it like this.
Okay.
But if you're going to, and you can always line it with some wax paper too if you have any kind of hesitation.
All right, so now you build from largest to smallest.
So yes, I will show you how to do that. So you can see I have my guys here. So you want to obviously pre-place, kind of figure out where you want it to be. And my tip for figuring out where exactly to put it is, thank you for your help. Okay, use a dry erase marker and make a few marks because it's going to be you can just erase it after that. So just a few marks. It does not have to be perfect because you don't need tons of glue.
Put your glue there.
So you put the glue here. And the reason why is because when you have your tin, you can show the bottom of the tin there, Ryan, that see how with the tin, it kind of comes up like this. So see, there's So if you try to just, you want it,
not gonna work.
And if you try to just put the hot glue right on there, it kind of makes a mess. So you do that, and you just take your towel, and once it kind of dries, you just wipe off, and it'll come off just by wiping it, and then you're all set. And that is, it's the easiest way to get it on there, and then you have your 3-tier cake.
And then you just go back and you just decorate, and you basically frost your cake is what you do.
Yeah, and there's a lot of different ways to get creative with this. So with that, whatever aesthetic you're going for. So for instance, I have this red one here, and I just wanted to keep it kind of simple. This is one that I would use to actually put cookies in and give to somebody because I think it'd be a really simple. Here, do you want to finish putting that on?
And can I add, by the way, that these you can get these at the dollar store?
You can get these very inexpensive, but it looks extremely chic and pretty. And you just grab, go to the craft supply store, get some supplies, and you're good to go.
So you're literally just using hot glue to do everything.
Just using hot glue, exactly. So for one on here, so for instance, if you have your ribbons on, you can grab some things like this, and Deb, like this. So what you do is you actually just pull this off. When you can either pull them or cut them off. And you take this, and all you do is you need to practice some patience and just put some hot glue on here or on the side of this.
And you just hold it.
And you just hold it there.
So I noticed, here you go, if you want to do one, Ryan. Sure. These are also paper mache boxes, so if you don't have the cookie tins.
Thank you, Deb, for saying that. Yes, so if you couldn't find either the sizes you want or if you're kind of mixing and matching, this is paper mache or boxes. They come as boxes or rounds, so you could do square versions as well. But it's the same process, and you can just paint them. So once you have those on there, you could actually make it look like cake and do like little swags too of the ribbon, things like that.
And do you know what else I love? I love that you made these look very elegant, and you made them, you know, sort of fancy. But you also made a cake that was like a kid's cake.
Snowman out of that. They're so cute. So when you're doing this, you can really get creative and make it extra playful with the snowman we have. So it's the same process, except for one of the lids I just covered with some fabric that looks like a little scarf and had some little, you know, hanging over, and that's all that it is.
And wait, you know what else it could be? Year round. I know you understand.
I'm waiting for this.
To store our children's stuffed animals.
Oh, well, there you go.
Can I take it home?
Yes.
I haven't learned that lesson yet. I'm working on it.
You will soon enough, Ryan. Thank you so much, Maria. This is a really cute idea. Oh, wait, teacher. There you go.
Oh, look at you
Maria,
go.
you should give him one too.
Yes. Oh.
There you go.
Hey. It's Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
For full instructions, visit HallmarkChannel.com. And don't forget to check out Ryan in Hope at Christmas on Hallmark Movies and Mysteries at 9/8 Central, November 20th, right?
Yes.
It's going to be a good one. We can't wait for that. Right now, we're going to check in with Larissa. Hey, Larissa.
Hi there. Yeah, you won't want to miss our next guest who decided to say goodbye to her cushy corporate job and hello to kittens, coffee, and cuddles. She hasn't looked back since. I'll explain.